For 24 hours, I spent the day without my phone, and here's how it went.
It's edible, and it looks okay. I'm on my microwave.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Vanessa, and today I'm going to be doing 24 hours without my phone. So I feel like my phone is one of my main sources for everything. Like, I use it to communicate, I use it to talk, I use it to post, and I'm a little bit obsessed with my phone. I wouldn't say it's a big obsession, but I feel like my screen time is probably quite bad. Like, I feel like if I could insert something on my screen time right now, then let's just say my screen time isn't the best. But anyways, today I'm going to be doing 24 hours without my phone, without my laptop, and without like any electronic devices. So I'm literally just filming with my camera, and I'm going to be filming with my camera for the rest of the day. I think we have a lot of stuff planned. I'm still making a to-do list of everything I can do, and let's suffer without my phone. Because I love to be able to talk to my friends, I love to be able to communicate with my friends, I love to be able to do all these things with my phone. But you know what? I am not going to do that. I'm not going to contact social media. I'm not going to go into social media today. I know for like the last few hours that I was off camera, I've been just chilling with my family. We made some breakfast and we have just done a few things. So now I think I'm going to try and make a to-do list first of all, because I feel like the to-do list is very important and it will be very helpful, because I'm not 100% sure what I'm going to do for this 24-hour challenge. So I will quickly make a to-do list right now. So now that I have done my to-do list, I've got all the stuff on here that I'm going to do. I'm going to try and complete everything, because at the moment I'm going to go through everything. So I've got my self-care.
I'm going to try and do some cooking, baking. I'm going to try and go to shops and online. I'm also going to try and do my nails, and I'm also going to try and do some of my bath bombs I got for my birthday. Because I think I spoke to you last year, I actually have used most of the bath bombs. They're so pretty, they come in a little set, they're really pretty, and I've used most of them. But anyways, I need to try and test out those. And I'm also going to try and do like making stuff. I don't know what I'm making. Maybe I'm making something. I'm also going to try and do a little makeup maybe.
I need to do my little nails, because my nails, they have been staying like this for the longest time. I want to try and file my nails down, and I want to try and put like a nice little colour on them so that I can get it done for like the last week into summer. I wanted to get pink nails so badly, but I might get those done like later on in the summer, because I feel like that might work for me. It's okay, so it is currently like 2 or something. I'm checking the time on my microwave because I don't actually know what to do. But the nails are looking cute. The nails are looking really nice. I really like them. They're really pretty. And we're gonna go hopefully to the corner shop, and we're gonna get some stuff so I can do a little bit of baking. Okay guys, so we are at home now, and this is like my little cooking portion. I don't know, I'm not like the greatest cook, but I would definitely say I've got it. Okay, so we're going to be cooking some fairy cakes. So first of all, I need to do the tablespoon. Okay, so first it says prep. I've done prep. So now we need to empty the bits. We need to open this. Okay. I'm using an alternative one because I'm not the greatest at this, as I said before. We've got the cake mix over here. We've got, what is this? The same thing? This is the icing, and this is the cake mix. So what we need to do is we need, oh, it comes with sprinkles, and we went to the shops and we bought our own, but it's okay. So first of all, what we need to do is we need to empty the cake batter. So I'm going to empty the cake mix in here. Okay, so now we need to open this. Okay, now we need to get the egg and the milk into this thing. So I feel like I'm doing this the opposite way. It looks okay. And then we need to put the milk in here. So I'm going to put the milk into this cup real quick. So now what we need to do is we need to mix it. Okay, we need to mix it into smooth. I think that's very smooth actually. So now we need to put it into the cake. I here's our cupcakes. You know what? You dissed me, but your cupcakes don't even look that good. My mom's wrapping it up because I can't really do it. This is mine. I'm not a baker. Can you tell? Actually, you know what? I am a baker. She kind of eating it up. She kind of eating it up right now. Ooh. Look at them. Look at them. You're not talking though. Look at them. They look good.
It's fine. Listen, considering it was today we did this, we smashed it.
Oh, we smashed it, guys. Now time for some sprinkles. Okay, look at this. I feel like the cupcakes are gonna, the sprinkles are gonna put it all together. I could. I feel like I'm wrong. I feel like we needed to wait until it was too hot. No, warm, cold. I think that's a cooling off, isn't it?
I think it's fine. Just keep going.
So here's the cupcake result. We gave some of them to my brothers. Overall, I feel like this isn't my best piece of artwork, but it's edible and it looks okay. So I'm gonna go with that. And I feel like I've actually done a lot because I have not been on my phone since I've literally stayed off my phone. It's currently 3:25 and I have stayed off my phone almost all the day. Okay guys, so it's, I don't know what time it is, I have no idea. I haven't gone to my phone. I went to sleep. I went to sleep for so long. I don't know, but I'm gonna try and figure out what we're gonna do next. What time it is, but I'm gonna go to the bathroom and I'm gonna do a face mask because I feel like that's a good way to like semi end my day. I still haven't got my phone. But I'm gonna try and do a little face mask. This is so cold. Okay, so now my face is completely clean. It feels really smooth. I also did a little wash with this because I needed to get it all off. And I'm gonna brush my teeth later on because I don't actually think I'm gonna brush it now. Okay, so I'm gonna be writing everything that I'm grateful for at the moment. So I feel like I'm very grateful for one. I think I'm very grateful for like my friends. I'm very grateful for everyone. I'm really grateful for my parents. I'm very grateful for my mum and my dad. I'm also very grateful for the Lord because I feel like He has been protecting me all throughout today, and I'm very grateful for that. So I'm gonna write a little bit of my journaling in my notebook. Now that I have just finished my journaling, I did quite a bit of journaling actually. I feel like journaling is quite therapeutic. I don't know. I just feel like it is my one thing that I'm going to try and get more into. Because I feel like in the month of July, I need to get more into this thing. But anyways, I am going to end the video here guys. So I hopefully you enjoyed the video. And I really hope that maybe you will do something without your phone for 2 hours. Because I feel like, 24 hours without my phone, it feels really crazy. Plus it's like summertime, so it's like there's a bunch of stuff to do, and I just feel like I have done so many things today that I probably wouldn't have done if I was on my phone. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed the video. Maybe, hopefully, you guys will do a 24 hours without your phone, or have like an hour without your phone. I will be saying a nice little goodbye.